Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, hauls, reviews, you name it. So if this is the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and join us, share the family. And I'd like to say thank you so much for my return supporters. I love you guys, appreciate you guys a bunch. Thank you for coming back to support me. So today's video, get excited because it's one of my favorite videos. You guys know I am obsessed about skincare because it's not easy to be 40 and have fabulous skin. Alright, so today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys this little face device from Amiro that I've been using for a little while now, and I'm loving the results. So you guys know, every time that I use something that I like the results, I share with you guys because care is share. So this beauty here, this is the Amiro HydraGlow Booster red light therapy and microcurrent facial device, and it comes now. You can get the only device, or you can also get this Amiro Serum. This is Amiro high precision sculpting anti-wrinkle essence, and these have the salmon DNA, you know, the Pdrn that we love. So this is very nice, and I'm going to be covering this on this video. I am obsessed with, so my box almost finished. I got a month supplies, and I am like almost finished with my box. But so you use that serum with the device. So I just want to show you guys really quick. I put the device in the box to show you guys what you get in the box. So you're going to get the device, which is super cute. I'm going to be showing you guys use a manual and the charge for your device. All right, so this is the beauty right here. Here's a microcurrent device, and you have red light and infrared light therapy. You have one single button that you one press, you turn it on. There you have. And I'm going to show you guys where you add the serum. So for you turn it on, just one click, and in the back here you have this little dispenser where you put, I have my on because I just finished doing a treatment, and then you add your serum. You add your serum here, and then back here you see the little metal piece there that's gonna go inside the little bottle. And then before you start doing your treatment, you just double 2 or 3 click for you have your first pump of the serum, and then you just go as area. So 5 minutes a day, every day treatment is going to help you with the smile line, the jawline that's, you know, as we age everything go down. It's going to help you lift, and also with your eyes, the serum and the microcurrent and the red infrared lighter push the serum deep down on the deepest layer of the skin, with this giving you a better, more efficient treatment, boosting your collagen, tighten those muscles, and giving you this amazing look. Amiro have a combo of this duo here because you use them together for get the double results. I'm going to have the link for them down below so you guys can save some money. Okay, don't pass on these, you're going to be regretting. So let's do this. And this essence contains 9 anti-aging peptides and 2 type of plant-based retinol. Proves to be effective sculpting, lifting, firming, anti-wrinkle, antidullness, and other age benefits. This duo here is absolutely amazing. So this is doing with salmon DNA. I've been using this now for about almost 4 weeks. One thing that I like about this is the serum. They come individually packed. That keeps, you know, the integrity of the serum. For each use you get a highly effective product, because you guys know some serum, after you open them, the one that's come in the pump with the dropper, when you open them they tend to oxidize. So you're not going to have the problem with this. So we have our serum here. For you dispense the serum, you just pump. So with one pump the serum comes out, and you're gonna feel a pinch when you use, you know, the first time. So you get a little bit to get used it, because you can really feel that microcurrent going down your skin. But so that's me, that's actually working. It's the Amiro HydraGlow Booster. Delivers a 5-minute non-invasive skincare treatment. Deliver clinically proven result with no needle, no access, no downtime. So So that's great. So you're going to get that amazing result as you would to pay thousands of dollars in a clinic or in a spa to do it. So you're going to have the results at home. So if you're somebody who doesn't like, you know, needles, fillers, or stuff like that, this is a perfect for you. And I'm loving these because I'm not doing nothing of the stuff to my face. I'm gonna try to keep my skin looking, you know, as good as I can at home. So one more pump. So I'm focusing on like my smile line because that's not our area that I like to improve. And this supports your skin barrier, which is great. The microcurrents and the infrared therapy is going to help this high precision serum. This serum is a Pdrn serum with some DNA, which is proven to boost cell turnover and renew the skin, boost the collagen. So if we have a more tighter, firmer, less wrinkle, less fine lines, more glowy, more even skin. If if you're somebody who tends to have like a puffy skin, you can, use this to the puffy skin, even if you travel, because this is very small, it's very travel friendly. So I try to do every day. I'm very excited and I'm looking how beautiful and glowy my skin is looking. This has photoelectric layered anti-aging system. So now let's do the other side. The Amiro HydraGlow Booster is a 5 minutes non-invasive skincare treatment. Deliver clinical level skincare at home, no needles, no downside, barrier supporting. Achieve 48.36% glass skin with clinical grade Pdrn, 5-minute skin lift powered by red light therapy, and microcurrent, a non-invasive, no downtime, at-home solution for achieving visible, glowy, firmer, brighter, and younger looking skin. The core technology: the photoelectric layered anti-aging system, epidermis microcurrent plus 3500 ppm macro Pdrn plus 12,000 ppm collagen, dermis 630 nm red light plus 850 nm near plus 100 nm nano Pdrn plus collagen peptides plus CGR plus botanical retinols. Woo, you name it, so many amazing things. Muscle layer multi-frequency lifting current plus 3 times Botox alternative peptides, dual electro delivery, nuclear penetration, micro needling electrical current opens the skin channel, muscle lifting current lift and tone facial contour. So all done, 5 minutes, full face done, face is glowy, skin feeling nice and tight. So I'm absolutely loving these. So if you guys have any question about this beauty, drop in the comment below and I will answer the best I can. Yeah, I'm gonna drop the info for Amiro in the description of this video, and they have like a promotion going on now that you can buy both of them together. You can buy like a 30 days treatment and I think 60 days one for amazing price.